Hello, good morning, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful night's rest. Sorry for starting up a little bit late, right?
Good morning, sir.
Okay, good morning. Okay, so what we have here, um, today we are looking at some fundamental analysis from our impact news today, and today is February 2025, right? February 27th of February 2025. So we are looking at some high impact news that has tendency of moving the market, which by Oh, good morning, Mr. Paul. Good morning, everybody. Mama, good morning. Okay, so today is 27th of February 2025, and we're expecting some high impact news, right? And by 2:30 p.m., the United States dollar will have their GDP quarterly. So this is an high impact news and also an unemployment claim. So this is an high impact news that's coming up by 2:30. If you are trading, let's be observant and let's also be conversant with our trading environment. So 2:30 p.m., right? 2:30 p.m., we are having a high impact news on dollar. And since then, we are not having any impact news, only middle impact news we'll be having since then. So let's go to our chart straight up so that we'll not waste much of our time. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's good.
Yes, we can see it.
Yes, I can see it.
Okay. So starting from dollar indices, right? Starting from dollar indices, we have you can see where dollar is heading. Dollar is pushing up. Hopefully to 107380 region because there's a fair value gap here. There is a gap at that zone. So we have dollar, we have dollar going up to this zone, right? So we have dollar from here. You have dollar moving up. So I'd love to see dollar getting to 107.380 region. So my bias this morning is bullish dollar. I said it yesterday that I'm very bullish on dollar also. So my bias this morning is I'm looking at bullish dollar. You can see also we have two different patterns. This, although we don't have a break of any high, but this is forming like a head and shoulder pattern. If I show you on 15 minutes, I mean a line chart, you'll see clearly that's forming something like an head and shoulder pattern. And there we are having a high, right? So this high is happening around here, 106.621, and we have a break of structure. The market did not break this, so this could be a shift. What I need is more momentum for buyers to come in, so they would break this high, then retrace so that we can now keep buying um 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 dollar. And you can see this is also forming an head and shoulder pattern. You can see inverted head and shoulder pattern, and we move. Today in our advanced class, we are going to talk about head and shoulder pattern. So we have to be very, very available. We have very available because in our Abuja office, we are going to talk about we'll be treating reversal pattern and we talk about head and shoulder. So today I'm going to continue our head and shoulder with trend line. So please, if you are in Abuja, come to Abuja office at number 50, Editu Kiwi Street. We can call it Jabi. Class start by 11, but advanced class start by roughly 2. Let's say 1:32 to 3:30. So that's it. I'm expecting some bullish sentiment. If this high is broken, this 1 hour high, okay, if it is broken, then I'd love to see a retracement and sell. So we could also have a retracement from here where price will turn to this low. Okay, this last again is liquidity, so we are pushing forward to bullishness for dollar. So I'm bullish on dollar. So let's look at USD Now looking at USD right? Same thing I said on USD on daily time frame. Price rejected this level, 0.8940, and we're pushing to the upside. So I'm bullish on dollar, right? I'm bullish on dollar. You can see this is a shift in market structure, but fortunately, we've not broken any high, right? So this up movement, we could also get to this level 0.89860, and market start falling. You never can tell. So the very strong high that we're looking towards is here, and it has been tested. This level has been tested. So we could have further push momentum, retrace, right? And boom. Okay, so that is what we could have for USCHF or 4 hours time. That is what I'm anticipating on 4 hours time. So I'm anticipating further momentum to the upside, right? So I'm expecting here price boom, okay, and retrace, and it continues to the upside. Okay, so that is what I am anticipating for dollar indices. I mean for USCHF. So I'm looking at bullishness for them. I'm looking at USCHF breaking the nearest high. USCHF breaking the nearest high. Okay, so we still have a whole lot of high, especially this level. This level, like I said, this zone was mitigated. Here was mitigated. So we still have more room to go up before market moves to the downside. The thing is, the USCHF is on a downtrend, right? But we've had a break of trend line. We also have a break of structure here, right? So from here, you can see that we have a break. We already have a break of trend line. We already have a break of trend line here, right? So what do you need? A retracement, the market moves to the upside. So these are my two. In fact, this is what we turn to. I'll turn to another block. So we can see from here, this is a higher low. Like I said in class last week. Sorry about that. I said in class last week. Anyway, you are expecting, like here, we are expecting a lower low for this price to continue. Price could continue here. Then we know that yes, we are expecting a lower low. But then the lower low did not come true. You only have a lower high, right? So market created a lower high, tested this breaker and pushed to the upside. So what we need here is just a proper retracement and move to the upside. So that is what we need because the reversal on USDHF is just forming. Okay, so I think we've done that. So let's look at GBP USD. So for GBP USD, quite all right. I'm quite bullish also because, I mean, I'm quite bearish also, not bullish. I'm bearish. Yep, I'm bearish. In fact, I'm more bearish than anything on GBP USD because number one, market got to this high. You can see market got into this high, right, and tested it. We have a retest, and that retest, you can see the retest taking out this liquidity here. I'll show you on 4 hours time frame. I'll show you. You can see a whole lot of resistance here, right? So a whole lot of resistance here, then price take it out. So it could have until that will give us a break of this major low, a break, right? Then a retrace, then we will fall down to 1.23620. Okay, so it's clearly shown that GBP USD also is also forming a reversal, but we need, we need full confirmation because this liquidity has been taken. And see if you follow through, you can see this high has been broken, right? So we just need a retracement. Market could break this low, but this low sponsor this high, so we could have a break here, right? Because this low took out this liquidity and push. So a break below this low will give us more room for sellers. So GBP I'm looking towards selling, but I've not seen an entry. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to look at some JPY pairs, but before then, let's look at gold. Oh, wow, sweet. Gold, gold has been falling and has been falling, right? But I would love to see a break here before I consider much more sales pressure. I'd love to see a break below this line. I'd love to see a break here. I'd love to see a break here. A break below this low, give us more room to retrace and probably push to the upside. But then gold might just decide want to test any of these failure graph. You can see, like I said, this movement is suspicious. But you can see, you can test here any of these green lines. It could test them before it rejects and move to the upside, just like what it did here and testing this level too. So you could also come back to this level also, this place, and test too. You never can tell, but the bias has been very, very bearish. The bias has been bearish. You just need it to break this low, 2883.78. Once it's broken, then we're going to have a good retracement and we'll sell. So gold is also preparing for proper sell. You can see this candlestick out this high. So we need a normal retracement. We need gold to retrace. We need gold to retrace from here. Hopefully we could have a short buy that will retrace and boom to the downside because we have this high taken on 1 hour time frame. So retracement, then we boom to the downside. So gold, we are expecting a retracement. The gold should literally fall. We're expecting a retracement from gold. So retracement probably to 2908 before we sell gold. Let's look at AUD So yesterday I gave three JPY pairs, three signals on JPY pairs, two hits take profit and one hit stop loss, right? And probably because the market was just extremely erratic yesterday, it was going up, going down, going up, coming down, going up, coming down. That was how the third one hit the stop loss, but then we still move. I think 2/3 is still a pass mark. It's 2/3, not a pass mark. Oh, and don't forget, I've forgotten, we are even at the end of the month. We are at the end of the month. So market could tend also to be very, very playful. And by playful is very, very erratic also, as usual. So let's hope to see. Okay, so like you can see, ADGPY is approaching that low. We have a rejection taking out this low. Let's see if the retracement will start. If we are going to buy okay, so like I said, I'm looking at this high, right? So I'm still looking towards that level. Yesterday, before we had a sell, market took out this low, and I also gave a buy signal around here, but well, I wasn't monitoring, so that was why okay, this is AUDJPY. So AUDJPY, I'm expecting a pullback, a break above 94.197 before I look towards buying AUDJPY. Okay, so let's look at Euro JPY. And like I said, I'm looking towards some JPY pairs. Euro JPY also, at this level, we have market retrace down to this low, and breaks. So what I'm looking at towards, we didn't have a clear breakout to the downside on Euro JPY. So we also patient. We didn't have a clear breakout to the downside, right? So this is what market will lead. We could have a break, a retest, a retracement, and boom to the upside. But then this is a very strong supply zone. So, and we have a break of structure to the downside. So the best bet is just to look towards more sales on Euro JPY. So this is a retracement phase. We look at what will happen at the long run. Last one, please, you can write the pair you want us to look out for. You can kindly write the pair you want us to look out for. You can write the pair you want us to look out for. For GBP UJ, okay. GBP on a daily time frame. GBP is still on a range, but we've taken this high. So we still look towards selling. I would love to see bearish formation on GBP because market took out this high and there's no higher possibility of sellers. So we have a high and low. In fact, this is a range, is a pure range, and this low has not been taken, but this high has been taken. So hopefully this could be a retracement for the market to sell. Never can tell. So there's no structural setup yet on GBP JPY. Let me look at USD JPY. USJPY is also the same structure. We are having low liquidity weakness at this zone. Well, what I'm seeing, I think the JPY pair should fly today. Very, very well. What I'm seeing. So I would love this low to be broken because we already have I love this high to be broken. This one to be broken. Then with simple retracement, then continue buying. So that's that on USJPY. I've not seen any entry on USJPY. Let me look at Euro USD. Like I said, we are going to be bearish on dollar, GBP USD, Euro USD. We are going to be bullish on dollar. I still have not seen the good momentum, but with the structure dollar showed me, I'll be bearish on dollar. We just had a break of this low. We need a proper retracement before we sell. So I'm looking at bearishness for dollar indices. For euro dollar, could have a retracement up to 1.04870 before we sell. For euro dollar, we should look forward to sell on euro USD. Thank you very much, everybody. Since there is no question, okay, so Bitcoin. Bitcoin rejected this favor gap. So what we're expecting on BTC is also a retracement, probably hopefully to 94,000. So I'll be expecting a retracement also to the top. So around 94,000 before I take a sell. Yes, Mr. Audi, you can ask your question. Hopefully to even 88,000. A short buy to probably 87 or 88,000 for sale. But the bias on BTC is bearish. I just finished BTC now. You came late, I guess. Gold. I said that gold is also bearish. We just need a retracement before we enter into that market. Gold is also bearish. right? We just need the retracement before we enter the sell for gold. Okay, so let's keep on watching the market. Let's see. We expect to have our physical classes nationwide, both in Abuja and in Lagos. Also, next week Friday is NFP. Just try and fund your account so that you can have fun and can make money trading live analysis. PayPal also is safe for you. If you have any questions, you can reach out to our account manager. And have a wonderful trading day, everybody. Good morning.
Thank you very much, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you.